10 Sefirot of nothingness. 1. Is the breath of the living God blessed and benedicted is the name of the life of worlds, the voice of breath and speech, and this is the holy breath. 2. Breath from breath. With it he engraved and carved 22 foundation letters, 3 mothers, 7 doubles and 12 elementals. The Sefer Yetzirah describes the holy breath as the source of creation, a divine frequency that shapes reality. From this breath emerge the 22 foundation letters, the building blocks of existence. But what do these letters represent? How can sound and sacred geometry create the universe? And what does this reveal about the nature of reality? Unlock the secrets of the Sefer Yetzirah. Follow Mysticism Decoded on Substack. Link in bio.